Hi guys, today we will be solving problem number 3075 by using the concepts of array, greedy algorithm and sorting. So what is the problem about? So we will be given a list of happiness index where each value represents a child's happiness and a number k giving how many children you can select. So the basic rule is whenever we select children one by one, each previously selected child reduces the happiness of next child by 1. So our goal is to maximize the total happiness after selecting k children. So to find the maximum only we are using greedy algorithm. So let us take the example that they have given here. So this is the happiness array and k is equal to 2. Let us take the index 0, the value 1. So now the total value of happiness after selecting one child will be 1 because happiness of the index 0 is 1, and then we are decrementing the happiness of the remaining children, which gives us 1 and 2. Now if we are taking 1, the total happiness will become 2, and if we are taking 2, the total happiness will become 3. Is it the maximum possible value? It's not. So now let us try taking 3. Now the total happiness value will be 3 when k is equal to 1, and after reduction the new array will become 0 comma 1, and if we take 1 we get 4, which is the maximum value. That is what has been given in example 1. Okay, so how does the greedy strategy work here? It always picks the child with highest remaining happiness first. Why? Because the early picks suffer less reduction and higher happiness values give the maximum benefit before the reduction starts. So, sorting the array in descending order is the optimal choice. Now, let's get to coding. First, we are sorting the array in ascending order. Why we are sorting in ascending order is because in Java doesn't have an easy reverse sort for primitive arrays. So instead of descending order, we are picking the values from the end. Then we initialize a variable to store the sum of happiness. Long is used instead of int because the sum can be large. Then we are storing the happiness length in a variable called n, and then we are initializing a loop to pick children. I represents how many children have already been selected and is also represents the happiness reduction. The line happiness n minus 1 minus I picks the largest remaining happiness. The first iteration largest and the second iteration second largest. Happiness reduces by the number of children that have already been chosen. It is exactly the same as happiness value minus turn index. To avoid the negative values, we are using the math function maximum. So if anything becomes negative, it adds 0. Negative happiness, does it help maximize the sum? And then result is returned. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.